So, Johnny's first day of school. Gotta go wake him up. Oh, Johnny, it's time to wake up.
No!
Yes.
Why?
It's your first day of school.
No!
No! Ah! It's
Why'd
okay.
you hurt Mr. Bunkers?
I didn't mean to. Here. No, we're gonna go to school.
I can't go to school. I'm stinky.
Ah, then go take a bath. Let's go take a bath. Now. Go. Turn on the lights for you.
Don't look at me.
What are you doing? What are you doing in there? Are you okay?
Don't look at me.
I'm sorry. Oh no! Are you okay? Okay, let's go to school now.
I pooped my pants. As long as I don't have to take the bus.
No?
I have to take the bus?
Yes.